Meet Crinkies. Siya talaga yung pag pinagsama mo yung cookie at saka yung crinkles, ito ang kalalabasan. Chewy, moist, and so chocolatey. Tara, gawin na natin to. You will need 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. Dark chocolate, pwede rin naman ng compound, pwede rin ng milk chocolate. You will need all-purpose flour, white sugar, brown sugar, cocoa powder, salt, baking soda, and 2 eggs. Start na tayo. I-melt nyo lang yung chocolate nyo. Ganyan lang ako mag-melt. Pag minicrowave ko siya, dapat kumintab lang siya, hindi siya yung lusaw na lusaw. Tapos, hahaluin ko lang yung heat ng bowl, gagawin niyang super smooth like this. You can also melt on a double boiler. Now, combine nyo lang yung brown sugar ninyo at yung inyong white sugar at ilagay ang ating butter. Cream until light and fluffy. Kapag na-achieve mo na ang ganitong consistency, pwede mo na ilagay ang iyong eggs one at a time. So, i-mix mo lang muna siya hanggang humalo ng mabuti yung naunang egg bago mo idagdag yung iyong second egg. Like I always say, break your eggs in a separate bowl para hindi kayo malusutan ng bulok na itlog. Yan. So, ngayon na smooth na siya, idagdag na natin ang ating dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, cocoa powder, and salt. I-sift lang natin yan on top of our mixture. Make sure na ma-incorporate mo lahat. Haluin, mekus-mekus. Tapos idagdag na natin ang ating melted dark chocolate. Ayan. Ang ganda, di ba? Ang kintab. Wag na wag ninyong i-overmelt ang inyong dark chocolate. At again, i-combine nyo lang dun sa nauna na ninyong mixture and i-cover ninyo at i-refrigerate. When you refrigerate, pwedeng 1 hour, pwede ring overnight. Pakita ko sa inyo yung difference later on. This batch I chilled for an hour, baked it at 350 for 15 minutes. Pakita ko sa inyo, ito yung chilled for an hour, ito naman yung chilled overnight. Ang kaibahan lang nila is yung height ng inyong crinkies. So, pag mas matagal ang chill, mas matambok. Pag mas mabilis, mas mapayat. So, ito yung chilled for an hour. Ang ganda ng itsura din. Sa loob, tingnan ninyo, moist siya because of the dark chocolate. And this is your Pambansang Auntie saying, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, but I also hope that you also experiment and make your own recipes from scratch. Yun lang po, and mabuhay!